Welcome to the benefits of. This channel covers all things health. Today, let's discuss the health benefits of yoga. Dive into yoga. Instant mood booster. Whether you're a seasoned yogi or a complete beginner, yoga has something for everyone. Ever feel like your mind is a whirlwind and your body's lagging behind? It's a common feeling in our fast-paced world. We've all been there. Yoga's here to help. It offers a sanctuary from the chaos, a place to find your center. It's like a magic potion for your mind, body, and soul. Imagine a practice that not only strengthens your body but also calms your mind. Get ready to unlock a world of awesome. With every pose, you'll discover new strengths and flexibility you never knew you had. Yoga's not just about touching your toes, it's about connecting with yourself. It's about finding balance and harmony within. Imagine feeling calmer, stronger, and more energized. That's yoga's gift to you. It's a holistic approach to well-being. This ancient practice has taken the modern world by storm, and science is backing up its incredible benefits. Studies show it reduces stress, improves flexibility, and boosts mental clarity. Ready to ditch the stress and embrace a vibrant new you? Yoga's your secret weapon. It's time to prioritize your well-being. Let's dive in and explore how this incredible practice can transform your life. From physical health to mental peace, yoga offers it all. Get ready to unroll your mat and embark on a journey of self-discovery. Embrace the transformative power of yoga and watch your life change for the better. Yoga, your body's new best friend. Hold on to your hats because yoga's about to rock your world. Whether you're a seasoned yogi or a complete beginner, there's something in it for everyone. It's like a full-body tune-up, inside and out. Imagine your muscles getting a gentle yet effective workout, stretching and strengthening all at once. Think increased flexibility, boosted strength, and a glow that radiates from within. Your body will thank you for the newfound agility and the radiant skin that comes with regular practice. Studies show that yoga can work wonders for your body. It's not just about the physical benefits, it's also about mental well-being. A study published in the Journal of Physical Activity and Health found that regular yoga practice improves flexibility and balance, especially in older adults. But wait, there's more. It also helps in reducing stress and anxiety. Yoga's also a secret weapon against back pain. Those long hours at the desk or strenuous activities can take a toll on your back, but yoga can help alleviate that discomfort. A study in the journal Spine found that yoga is just as effective as physical therapy in relieving chronic lower back pain. Imagine the relief of easing that persistent pain without the need for medication. So, ditch the aches and pains and say hello to a happier, healthier you with yoga. Embrace this practice and watch as it transforms not just your body, but your entire outlook on life. Yoga. Stress less. Live more. Feeling stressed? Yoga's got your back. It's a holistic approach to well-being that combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation to help you unwind. It's like a mental vacation without the packing. Imagine escaping to a serene place right in your mind every time you practice. Picture this: you're calmer, more focused, and ready to tackle anything. Yoga helps you build resilience, making you better equipped to handle life's challenges. Scientifically speaking, yoga helps regulate your nervous system, reducing stress hormones like cortisol. This means less stress and more balance in your life. A study in the journal PLOS1 found that yoga significantly reduces symptoms of anxiety and depression. It's a natural way to boost your mood and mental health. And guess what? Yoga even helps you sleep better. Incorporating yoga into your nightly routine can lead to more restful and rejuvenating sleep. A study published in the journal Applied Psychophysiology and Biofeedback found that regular yoga practice improves sleep quality. Better sleep means better days. So say goodbye to sleepless nights and hello to a calmer, more peaceful you with the power of yoga. Embrace this ancient practice and transform your life, one breath at a time. Real people, real results. Yoga success stories. Meet Sarah, a busy mom who thought she had no time for yoga. She was constantly stressed and exhausted. But then, she decided to give yoga a try. After just a few weeks, Sarah felt a huge difference. She had more energy, her stress levels plummeted, and she even started sleeping better. Yoga transformed Sarah's life, and it can transform yours too. And it's not just Sarah. Thousands of people around the world are discovering the life-changing benefits of yoga. From increased flexibility and reduced pain to improved mental clarity and emotional well-being, the success stories are endless. Ready to shine? Yoga's calling your name. So, are you ready to unlock your full potential? Yoga is more than just a workout. It's a journey of self-discovery, a celebration of your strength, and a path to a healthier, happier you. Grab your mat, find a class, and get ready to experience the magic of yoga. It's time to shine. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the information and found it helpful. Remember, the content here is for educational purposes and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major health decisions. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Don't forget to check the links below for additional resources. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. See you in the next video.